Namaskar. Today I will practice diaphragmic and abdominal breathing. The babies, when they inhale, then this belly goes out, and when exhale, then it goes in. But we generally work bending down, forward. So this practice we have to do like a baby. So while breathing, inhale deeply, exhale deeply. We always do breathing. Oxygen is going while inhaling, and carbon dioxide is going out while exhaling. So let us practice breathing like a baby. When we inhale, put one hand on the chest and one hand on the belly. The chest and the belly will come out while inhaling, and while exhaling, it will go in. Our lungs and heart is getting more oxygen. So now next practice is inhale deeply and hold the breath for 5 to 30 seconds up to your capacity, and the timing should increase day by day, but up to 30 seconds only, and then exhale slowly. Once more. We can also breathe out by our mouth like this. Inhale. Repeat all these three process 10 times or 20 times. So our lungs and heart will get more oxygen, and our resistance power will increase. This is prevention against corona also. Remain healthy and happy. Thank you.